How to add pages on Squarespace, quick and easy. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can add pages within a page on Squarespace in the easiest, most simplest way. So it's really simple. You're just going to come to your website editor and you're going to come to your pages section. Now, once you're in your pages section, to add a page, you're just going to add a blank page. There you go. So we have a blank page now. Now, how are you going to add a page under a page? So to add a page within a page, basically, you're going to create a set navigation and you're going to open up the settings of this page. Okay. Now, once you open up the corresponding settings of a page, you can link them. Okay. Link them together if you want to, or you can take this page over here, go to its settings. Okay. The settings of a page will allow you to connect one page to another page, which will give you a basic, you could say, main drop down menu, right? So let's say we have these pages over here, right? So I have this page created. I'm going to go into the settings. It's going to open up the settings. Now in the settings, it's going to give me the link or drop down option. And obviously you can go ahead and enable this page or set it as your home page. And what that will do is basically we'll do that. Now in this main navigation, you can see that my home page is my main navigation. And under this, these are all things that are going to come under it. Okay, so this is how you're going to add all these things. So yeah, that is essentially how you're going to add drop downs. And if you want to add your drop downs right under the layouts, you can, let's say I'm going to click on this, then I'm going to click on that, add a blank page, and this becomes a drop down for that page. So yeah, basically pretty simple, pretty easy, pretty basic stuff. And that is how you are going to edit these main navigational options for yourself. So that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.